I'm going to show you how you can add audio spectrum effects to your videos in a CapCut PC. So first, you just need to add your clips that you want to add. Then you can start by going to the stickers button in here. Click on stickers at the top. Then here you can just click on the search bar and then type in audio as the keyword. Click on enter and you'll find this moving audio spectrum that you can add. So let's download it first. And now click on the plus icon. Now you can just adjust the durations of the audio spectrum for the whole clip if you want to. And then you can adjust the size and also the position. I'm going to put it like this, for example, in here. And that's it. You can now just preview the result. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.